In this video segment, we will use the time value of money concepts to look at stock prices, earning rates that we can earn on stocks. This is a simple approach, very straightforward compared to what most stockbrokers or financial firms would use, which is much more complicated. But this gives you an idea what can be done. Let's look at a stock that we have 4 quarters. We expect it in the future to pay out $1 dividends each quarter, and we expect we can sell it for $100 at the end of the 4 quarters. So the cash flow is $1 in each of the first 3 quarters and $101 in the 4th quarter. Investor wants to know, what should I pay for this if I want to earn 6% an EAR on my invested funds? Since these are in quarters, we convert that to a quarterly PIR. The nominal function was C3, which is 6%, 4 periods per year. And then divide that NAR by 4, we get the PIR, which is shown there, 1.47%. Since these are all equal, we can use the PV function. C4 is the 1.47, 4 periods. The payment is $1 each quarter, and the future value is $100. And it comes out $98.20. That is the amount that we could pay and earn 6% with these cash flows. Note that you could do this with the net present value function, NPV function. C4 again is the rate. We use the cash flows. In this case, there's 4 of them, and D8 to G8, and it comes out $98.20 again. So the investor will achieve the desired return of $98.20. Let's say that a different way. The investor will achieve the desired return if the stock is purchased for $98.20 and the forecasted dividends and selling price are achieved. Let's look at the case where the dividends are forecasted not to be equal. At the end of the 1st quarter, they pay $1. At the end of the 2nd quarter, $1.50. In the end of the 3rd quarter, $1.75. And the end of the 4th quarter, $2. And we again expect to be able to sell the stock for $100. So the cash flow is $102 in year 4, and the 3 dividends in the first 3 years. Since they're not equal, the payments are not equal, we cannot use the PV, present value function. We have to use the NPV in this case. So it's C19 to 1.47%, D23 to G23, that's these 4 numbers, and it comes out $100.34. What's interesting about this is that we're thinking of paying $100.34, which is more than we expect to sell it for, which is $100.34 difference, maybe not a lot. It's the dividends that make the difference, that make it possible to earn the 6% EAR. Now let's say this investor said, gee, maybe I could buy that for $90. If you could buy it for $90, we insert that in the cash flow in year 0, which is the present value. Again, here we use the IRR function, which is used for non-equal payments, and it's include the present value through the end of year 4, the cash flows, C27 to G27, and it comes out with a PIR, and these are quarters, so it would be a PIR quarterly of 4.32%. Convert that to a EAR, and he's going to earn annually 18.44%. The effect function, C28, is a 4.32, multiply it by 4 to get the NAR, and then for 4 quarters, and it comes out 18.44%. And that shows you how the stock calculations are completed. Thank you.